it's Happymailqueen. So I have another TN that I want to share with you guys, and I did have to reshoot this because I did make a correction on my tutorial. Well, I'm making it here, but you look in my description box on the video where I shared how I made this little heart dangle. I did have to add an eyelet, and a couple of you did suggest that, and I didn't think it was going to work because earlier when I was thinking about it, I was thinking, I don't know, because you know, these puffy hearts, if you make a big hole, I wasn't sure if it was really going to, I didn't know if the eyelet was really gonna go on it, because I thought maybe it was a little thick, but it does flatten. So anyway, I did use an eyelet because actually when I put it on this particular TN here that I'm going to share with you guys, it did rip off. I had to toss it, so I apologize. I hope you guys, well, hopefully you haven't tried it yet since I just put the video up, but I would recommend using an eyelet. So after it ripped, I decided to go ahead and put an eyelet, and then it, you know, it doesn't look as nice, but here I actually, oh, not that one. There was one that I made and I actually put a little bling in the back. And you can do that. You can just put like a little gem, not this particular one. Well, this one will work too. You can put a gem on the back just to hide the back of the eyelet. That works. I don't know what I did with the other one, and I did, oh, maybe it was this one. So see how I put the eyelet here, and then I added a gem on the back, and that'll kind of cover it up mostly. So that's how I fixed that. I'm so sorry, you guys. Yeah, it did come off. I had a feeling because they were really delicate, but I wasn't sure if the eyelet was gonna work, and then I tried it and then it did. So really cool. So yes, I would recommend using an eyelet when you make these puffy hearts. And I think a lot of you guys probably knew that already because a couple of you suggested it too. So, and like I said, I did think about it, but yeah, I was like thinking, I don't know if it's gonna really, you know, stay on there, but it did, so yay. Okay, so here's my second TN. I used the same paper, which is the vintage Valentine. Let me see here. This one right here from Michael's. And this was from last year's, so I don't know if they're going to have it this year, but just in case, there is the SKU number there. If they do have it back, you can purchase it. And I did use a few of the papers, just different papers this time, and I'll share that with you. So I used this pretty pink and red roses pattern here for the cover, really pretty. And then I put some more die cuts in there, a couple of the die cuts here, and then one of the cut aparts, and then this pretty postcard that coordinates with this collection. So I don't know if they'll come back with this collection this year, but then there's this pretty glittered, you can see that glittered heart one's really nice, and I made a booklet out of that one. And then here again, I made one of my magnetic tags, and as you can see here, these these I got at Daiso, but you can definitely make it. It's basically just an acrylic heart, and then they put a small magnet, and I have these little tiny magnets too, so I think I might just make some more, or you can just get it from Daiso if you have an opportunity to go there. So yeah, really fun element here, and you can definitely put something else there, like, I don't know, like a note, or even that will work right there. It stays on, so really cute. And then inside this folder, I put another tag, really cute. I just put a pink gem there that I think, I'm not sure where I got that gem. I think it might be from not K and Company, Queen and Company maybe. And then I put a heart paper clip from Hobby Lobby on this one here. Some more stickers from the collection. And I did add that to my other TN because I forgot to add that. I forgot to put my paper clips. That's how the back looks like. And then this is another pretty one. And you guys saw this pattern already because I had made a tag. And I made another booklet. And remember, the booklets are from the Dollar Tree. And it's the 4x6 size. And then here's another folder, and this time I created a folder and I actually adhered one of the die cuts that I cut using my stitched nesting die from my stash, and I just adhered half of it, so, and it kind of keeps it in there so they're not falling out. Sometimes they want to they're very loose in there because I didn't put a bunch of die cuts. Like this one here, they're kind of coming out just because I didn't put as many big die cuts in there. So, but really cute, you guys. I had fun making these, and I'm making some more because I'm just loving it. And you know, I have so many Valentine's paper, and just every year they come out with something new and cute. And I haven't done like a vintage project in a while, so I really wanted to use this paper. And but yeah, they're coming out with, you guys saw all the hauls from Michael's, from Hobby Lobby. There's new papers, and I want to get them too, but I'm trying to be good. We'll see if I can resist them. They're not on sale yet, so that's why I'm not running over there yet, but I do want to get some. And what else? And I did pick up one cute Valentine's collection from Crepe Paper, so I'll share that when I get that. So anyway, I hope you guys liked my TN. Give me a thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments, and I so appreciate your sweet words. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Welcome to my new subbies, and thanks so much for those who hang in there and watch my videos year after year. So I so appreciate it. So have fun creating for Valentine's Day. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.